peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on complex numbers. In this question, we need to find a quadratic equation of which one solution is -2 minus I. Now, the trick with complex numbers is to remember they come in pairs. So if -2 minus I is a solution, then -2 plus I is also a solution, and you change the sign of the imaginary part. You leave the real part alone. You change the sign of the imaginary part. Now, the shortcut method is to add these two roots together. And when we add them, the imaginary parts cancel. We're left with -4. Then we multiply them. When we multiply our roots, we have -2 minus I, -2 plus I. When we multiply out those brackets, we get 4 minus I squared. Remember, I squared is equal to -1. So that gives us 4 plus 1, which is 5. And from that, we can write down our quadratic. X squared plus 4x plus 5. The only trick here is that that minus changes to a plus. So we change that sign because we are working backwards from the roots. This 5 stays the same. The product is always going to be positive. Okay, and we talk about a quadratic equation because any multiple of this equation would also have these roots. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Till the next time, stay epic.